Evening, everyone, and we are currently at here on the euro dollar, where you can see that market opens over here and starts to instantly going higher, taking the buy side resting above these two equal highs, and I feel like it is at this point it is disrespecting the OT level from that high to this low, which I actually didn't want. So look at it, it's not trying to going down, and also, it didn't really retrace from this low to that high. It just showed it over here, which is quite weird, and which is I just didn't want it. Maybe it might have made this 2022 model like a shifty market structure after taking these two equal lows. And right here, I want actually market to start going down to these lows, and we have these equal lows, and then we have these equal lows, and then we have this green fair value gap, a daily fair. So why I want market to go lower? Well, we are at the OTE level from that high to this low, right? We are at the OTE level, and market can go lower if it respects the OT level, which it is, but with a slight damage right there. And yeah, we have this unfinished fair value gap, and also we have equal lows over here, equal lows over here, and equal lows over here. So that's why I really want market to go lower. Also on US dollar, we are pretty much bearish. We are respecting this weekly fair value gap. Respecting the weekly fair value gap, and then we go lower again, taking the sell side, then going up. We haven't really retraced all the way from that high to this low, and also we have equal highs over there, we have equal highs here, and we have this unfinished daily fair value gap. So now it has taken on these two equal lows sell side liquidity when the when the market just opened, and look at the bodies respecting this 15-minute fair value gap. I'm using this fair value gap because there's no higher time frames fair value gap than 50-minute. Otherwise, if there was 1 hour fair value gap over here, then I would have used that, but there's not. So yeah, I want to see it respect the OT level from this low to that high, and after taking these two equal lows, it should be making shifty market structure to go higher now, taking these highs, and finally these highs. So that's my bias for today. And if US dollars just pass by through this area, like just pass by, instantly go lower and ignore this low, and even Euro USD, ignore that low, then I think then I am failed in my bias for real. So right here, the 10 a.m. candle will be opened over here, and this is the 15-minute fair value gap. We had liquidity right there, buy side, market instantly opens and instantly going higher, taking the liquidity. Now I wanted to respect this 50-minute fair value gap. I should close that freaking indicator of showing the sessions. So, well, now I really want market to make shift in market structure and start going lower. I also wanted to respect the OT level, which it is. The bodies are respecting the OT level from that high to this low. That'd be my A plus if it right now it makes the shift in market structure, and how it's gonna make them on the 1 minute time frame. It should be going lower, either taking this low and then retrace a bit, then I'll take entry there of short, and yeah, that's how it will be making shift in market structure. But if it ignores this high and just take this high and rally above, then that's just weird. That then my bias would have been correct, and we'll see what happens. Well, after this candle closes, we're gonna have fair value gap right there. I can use this fair value gap as an invariant fair value gap for my entry if it makes a shifty market structure. Otherwise, if it does not make shifty market structure, I'm not gonna be entering any trade. Let me see if there's fair value gap at the 1 hour. There's no fair value gap, so that's why I'm just using 50 minutes. The higher time frames the PDR is, the more like efficiency there is. So for now we are gonna be waiting till the 10 a.m. candle. 10 a.m. candle might give us some entry, otherwise we are just doomed today. Market has been already weird, for real. And man, fudge my life. Oof. All right, 7 minutes. 7 minutes. Market can still do a lot in these 7 minutes, for real. To see the 5 minute chart. Market opens in this candle. Look, it didn't even make the low of the candle and instantly going higher, taking these equal highs. Oh, there we go. Where is the 930 scan? This is the 930 scan. I'm gonna find a yes. So this will be our first presented fair value gap. I guess I should clean some way. Wait, what is this? All right. Okay. if it does make the shifted market structure, I can use first presented fair value gap as entry. First presented is a good entry. Four minutes and 10 seconds. Let's go. Three minutes and 30 seconds. I like the teddy up candle. Yeah. 2 minutes. You see what crazy things can market do in just a little time. 10 minutes, 10 seconds, sorry. There we go, the 10 a.m. candle opens. I don't want this candle being bullish, I want it to bearish. Yes. Wanted to go down. We have some, well, yeah, good sell side. Wanted to go down, take this low, then go back inside this first percent fair value gap. Then I'll take the entry. Hopefully, let's see. Won't be risking that high because the market has been really weird. Market's really making some lows here, right? Bruh. Well, it really respected the constant encouragement of this 5-minute fair value gap, which I don't like to see clearly. But yeah, that doesn't matter. Tasty lows for real. God damn, my head hurts. Come on, do something. Dang it. Okay. Alright. Well, maybe taking the highs first before it takes the lows. Or maybe it's just gonna take that high too. Oh my god, this is 1 minute. I wanna go in the seconds. Oh, well, it should not go higher than this. Damn, took the buy side. Now we have sell side. Sell side is left. Let's see, let's see. Yeah, baby. Chart is hungry. It's hungry. Maybe he's trying to get out of the consolidation phase now. Okay. Yeah, new candle. Now we have taken some clear, good consolidation cells, buy side, consolidation buy side. And I hope we are not in the consolidation phase now. I feel like market's gonna be either gray. I mean, like either black and white and not gray for real. Yeah, see. So we have taken the buy side, and we should be getting the sell side, and go even more lower and take that low, making a shift to market structure. Go back to this fair value gap, and then starts going lower. Where are those lows? Where the hell are those? Yeah, to these lows. Damn for it. Come on, market. So it's 10-7. Yep. Yeah, there we go, guys. Sorry, I'll be back. My PC crashed again. Oh, okay. Oh, well, it's some volatile consolidation I've seen in days for real. Well, it cleared the buy side again, and we still have sell side, like some real good sell side resting below these lows. Well, yeah, now we are in a back and consolidation phase for real, but still waiting for some, signs for real. We are gonna be keep waiting. Yeah, I'm still freaking bearish. Still bearish, and we still have. Oh, okay, that was a good opening. You'll see that. Oh, okay, no, that's not good. Yeah, but I'll do it. I want to do a bit of exercise. Alright, well, I guess finally we are showing some real flow. Actually, we are in another. We just might be just jumped. Going lower, going higher, going lower. Yeah, that's it. Let's see what's going on. I guess Mark is just gonna go. Yes. Miracle. Well, it is some nice consolidation. Yeah, that sucks. It and learn something from it.